Pros and cons of flatbed trailers. Pros: flatbed trailers are versatile, making them useful for a wide range of applications. Whether you need to transport heavy equipment or materials, a flatbed trailer can easily handle the load. Flatbeds are also highly durable and resilient so that they can withstand impacts from road debris and other obstacles without damage. It makes them ideal for hauling valuable and sensitive cargo. Flatbed trailers are cheaper than other types of trailers, making them an economical choice for many businesses. Cons: flatbed trailers often require more maintenance than other trailers, as they are typically exposed to harsher elements such as wind and rain. It can increase the overall cost of ownership over time. Flatbed trailers can also be difficult to maneuver when compared to other types of trailers, which can make them less suitable for certain applications. While flatbed trailers do have some drawbacks, they are an excellent choice for many businesses due to their versatility and durability. If you're looking for a reliable way to transport heavy loads, then a flatbed trailer is definitely worth considering.